This is the distraction skit.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I saw you at the store yesterday, and I was going to talk to you, but I didn't have a chance because we were busy and stuff. Yeah, I was supposed to work today, but never got to. Yeah, I know. So how are your kids? That's good. Yeah.
Hannah, oh my god, I need to talk to you.
Yeah. My friend went to see that one concert the other night. She said it was awesome. She was like in the front row and stuff. And everything. And, yeah. So, did you see that new movie that's coming out? And everything else. There's all these movies. You know what? I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. What?
Dad's joking.
What did you tell me?